Hi, hi. Today is Sunday, and I am feeling much more better because I've been resting the whole day. I have do nothing except sleeping, and now I must be awake and finishing all my papers and preparing for tomorrow's work at the beginning of the week. And so I wanted to tell a little story about yesterday. Yesterday, when the video was uploaded, I went out with my friends from the secondary school, and some of them I haven't met since I graduated secondary school, which is around 5 to 8 years. And they're surprisingly some surprise. The girls are still the same, but the guys are surprisingly changed, which is from the secondary school. I hated the boys. Secondary school and high school, I hate them because they're mean and they how to say it? They're kind of lazy. Because when you see every week students, we have an hour of sitting in the yard of the school and listen to the new policy or something, or just or to listen about the judgment of the teachers, like a small competition of the classes, which class is the best class of the school in the previous week. And we often have small stools, chairs to put on the yard, and we must do it ourselves. And then we must put all the chairs back to the storage ourselves, and the work are always be done by the girls. The boys, they hardly come down and help us. They just go around and kind of like hiding, and when everything is okay, they gone, and then we girls must clean up. And that had been quite couple years of high school and secondary school, and I find that the boys, they are very lazy and mean, and because I hated them. But when I met them, I realized that they have changed a lot. Those boys, when at that age, they were kind of childish, and now they are going better, and they more kind of generous and more grown up. That's the difference, because I can feel the little things. Because yesterday I'm still sick, and I realized an old friend of me, his house is near here, but we never knew it, and we were not great friends at all in the secondary school. We were only just classmates. But yes, talking, and he said sometimes we should go together, because the house are near, obviously, and he's a kind of millionaire of I cannot speak of time. And yesterday, before the time we are supposed to meet each other, our classmates, he called me and he asked, have I been gone? I said no, I'm going to go out now and take my bike, which I let it outside, park it outside, and then I will go. And he said, no, you don't have to take your bike, I will drive you. Okay, he come to pick me up, and we go. And then, because I was still coughing the entire night, and then when we went home, it rained, and actually he prepared for me the raincoat, which is thoughtful. And while driving me home, he said one thing that I think it is very touchful and very kind of like caring from him, which is, remember to clean and dry your head because of the rain, or else you will be more sick. And yes, I actually I didn't get any wet or rain because he was driving and he got all the wet things, and it prevents me from being more sick than I am or obviously am. And I don't know why I share this story now, but just a small comparison between the boys when they are childish when a couple years ago and now. I see the differences, and I don't know about you guys, about your friends, your schoolmates, how they were, but in my experiences that I have been through, not in primary school they are fine, they're okay, because I have been studied in Germany and they're different. But when I came here, the boys are very childish and not so mature, like the girls. And when I went to university, I immediately see the differences between the high school boys and the college boys, because they're much more grown up, mature, and they tend to do more and work more and to be more helpful, which the high school thing doesn't have it. But when I look back, I see yes, time have changed and they have changed, and I appreciate my friends, how they were and how they are now, which is because I can see that people in general, they can change, and they can be this side or that side. But because I believe that a schoolmate of me a couple years ago, he doesn't like me that like now, it doesn't mean that he likes me now. It only means that we didn't go along well with each other as classmates at that point of time. Because I don't know why, I don't know, but now it seems to be a better and greater reunion and community as a class that we had, because when we all grow up, we have all the silly things that we did as jokes, and it feels better. And actually I like my classmates now more than it was, I think, because I can see all the changes, and being less childish myself and thoughtful, and I find them to be a better human being since not teasing us around, not being so mean to others. And yeah, I don't know what the title would be, maybe old friends, I don't know, so just think it later on. And yes, I must take my medicines. Where are they? Here, those are tasty medicines, which is like cough syrup, but in pills that I can just take them anywhere, anytime, and yeah, they are tasty. But I must do something else with my voice, because tomorrow from Monday to Friday I will be working 8 hours, which means I will be talking nearly 8 hours. Ugh. So bye.